Hello and welcome everyone, and in today's video I am going to show you here about to tell you everything that is going to be related what is going on and how we started to underestimate this. Going to be really simple, that is going to be really related to what we would like to do, and how we started to see that is going to be really related to what we would like to do about it, and how we started to see that it should be really seamless to be understood and helpful through what is going to be about that, and how we start to see it is going to be really something that is about to be really very helpful to be done on the Fargo website that is still to be really very successful to do it. As you can see, we are going right now to get the ACH debit authorization form from the application that you need to pay. So you can start right now to see that is about to be over here to complete your personal information. This can be often be done online. Okay, so I think that it doesn't matter, and it can be serious to be done or set an agreement data and select schedule. Check everything over, confirm and submit the following organization and your bank sources. And that is all about, guys, to help you